Peace and love. What's going on, y'all? We have a very dope episode for you today, all right? Now, I know a lot of y'all have been dealing with this issue of having your business manager or your ad account disapproved, disabled, unable to run ads. You don't know what to do. You're freaking out. You know what I'm saying? We've been there. We've had our ad accounts and business managers shut down in the past. But currently, today, we are actually running more ads than ever, and there is a way around it, all right? So what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna give you some solutions that you can use to actually still be able to run ads on Facebook, because I know a lot of people are dealing with that. Now, before I even jump in, be sure to click that subscribe button below if you're getting some value from the channel. Definitely like this video, definitely share this video with someone who needs it, and definitely click that bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop some new sauce for you. Without further ado, we're about to get into it right now. All right, guys, so the main reason you're watching this right now is because your business account has been restricted. You're probably going to see something like this: business account restricted from advertising. You'll probably see this, all right? Now, if you do not see this, more than likely your ad account has been restricted. And here's the thing: if your ad account has been restricted, you know, a lot of times, the next thing that's coming is your business account. So we want to prevent that from happening at all costs. But if it does happen, here are some things that you can do to kind of get things back in the right direction. Because I understand it can definitely be frustrating when you're running a business and it's generating money, then all of a sudden your ads cut off completely. I know it definitely sucks. You know what I'm saying? It definitely does. So we want to prevent that issue. We want to get you back up and running. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So essentially, first thing you want to do is you definitely want to request a review. All right. Now, when you request the review, sometimes Facebook will ask you to confirm your identity. All right, that means that you want to upload your ID, a photo ID of yourself. Look, Facebook is really just protecting you as well, and they want to make sure that nothing fraudulent is going on. So go ahead and upload your ID to Facebook. Now, after you confirm your identity, after you do all of that stuff, the next thing you want to do is you want to let them know why you are requesting this review. All right, now, I would recommend for you not to choose any of the options that are by default. Don't choose the "I'm not sure which policy was violated," or "I think there was an unauthorized use of my account." Don't choose that unless you know, someone did access your account and you want to kind of get that issue solved. Otherwise, you're going to choose another reason, and what you want to do is you want to give a very, very detailed response on why you don't feel that you violated the policy. If you have violated a policy, then obviously Facebook isn't going to let you slide with that. But if you haven't, you know, and this tends to happen a lot, Facebook is a robot essentially. You know what I'm saying? They have an AI system. So when you run your ads, it's not an actual person that's checking your ad to see if you violated policy. No, it's actually an AI. So the AI bot can be wrong. Some things can trigger the AI. I've run ads for clients in the boutique space, and you know, maybe they're wearing something that's a little showing, it shows a little bit of skin but nothing crazy, and Facebook will flag me for nudity when that is not the issue at all. You know what I'm saying? So you have to be on it, and you have to let them know exactly what it is that you did not violate. You want to be very, very detailed, be very specific, even let them know the actions that you're going to take in the future to make sure that this doesn't happen. All right, then you want to go ahead and submit your review. Okay, now the next thing you want to do, because we like to make sure that all of our T's are crossed and all of our I's are dotted, here's the next thing that you want to do. All right, you want to make sure that your business is actually verified. All right, and some of y'all may be like, yo, what does that mean exactly? I'm going to give you a detailed step-by-step and break that down for you. All right, so in order to make sure your business is verified, the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to your business settings, and you want to head to Security Center. You can see there on the bottom left, you see that little red arrow there? That is your Security Center, and this is typically what they'll ask you. All right, they're going to ask you for your legal name, obviously street address, all of these things. So make sure that you have all your business items in order before you do this. All right, now I actually literally the other day I did a video recording with a student, and I went through step by step how to do this, and I actually have the video, so I'm going to show you this and kind of walk you through it real quick, just so you can see in real time what it is that you do. So first thing you're going to do here is click on Security Center. All right, and then obviously you can set up two-factor authentication, but then what you want to do is you want to start the verification. So click on Start Verification. All right, now when you do that, essentially what Facebook's going to do, they're going to ask you for the legal name of the business, All those things. Make sure all those things are in line, okay? And then as we continue, the next step you want to do is you want to actually select your businesses, all right? So we're going to come over here to this next step. You want to select your businesses. So first of all, it's going to have the actual legal name of the business. They want you to verify that, all right? Once you verify that, then you're going to need to upload a couple of different documents here, all right? So here's what they want. Business license, all right? Certificate of formation, all right, and then some tax information from you. You're gonna need to upload all three of those documents. And I know it's a pain, you don't want to do it, but yo, wouldn't you love to continue making money by running Facebook ads? If the answer is yes, then you're definitely gonna do these things. So you want to submit all this information to them. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to verify your business address as well as your business phone number. You're going to want to verify all of those things. And here are a couple of ways that you can actually verify that information. All right. Number one, what you can do is you can give them a utility bill, an electric bill, a phone bill works, business license with your address. They want to verify that your business is who you say you are and who's advertising with them. They want to verify all of this information for you. So all of these things are very important when it comes to being able to run ads effectively and get your ad account back. All right. So don't sleep on any of these steps, because this is very important. And when you do this, when you add that extra layer of security to your account, Facebook is then more confident in you as an advertiser, and they'll see that you're putting your best foot forward, and they're going to help you out. All right. So just to recap, here are the things you're going to need. You're going to need your personal ID. All right, you're going to want to upload that. You're going to need all your business information. So make sure you get all your business information in place before you complete this process. You're going to need your proof of your business address as well. So those are some things you're going to need. All right. Now, keep in mind, us as a business, last year we went through the same thing. And literally last year was our best year in business. We did multiple six figures. And we ran ads all year. So, you know, just because there's a little bump in the road doesn't mean that it's going to stop you from running ads. We dealt with the same thing last year. Actually, we didn't even get our business account reapproved. So we had to do another thing that allowed us to do that. And I'm going to actually break that down for you right now. Now, if you do this correctly, you're going to be able to run ads again on Facebook. So follow these steps very, very closely. Okay. So here's the alternative. All right. Find a family member, a friend, a close friend, a cousin, some sort of a relative, right? See if you're able to use their Facebook account. That's number one, okay? I know it may seem like, oh, I don't want to use their Facebook account, but honestly, like, this is the way that you're going to be able to run ads again for your business, okay? So find a family member, a friend, someone close to you that doesn't use their Facebook ad account, and use that one, access that one, all right? Once that happens, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make them the actual admin of your business page. So whatever business page you use to run ads out of, you're gonna add them as an admin to that page. All right. Now, here's the thing: if your verification, like if you requested a verification from Facebook from your old business account, if that failed and they told you no, you can't run ads anymore, then you're gonna do this. All right, you're gonna remove yourself as an admin of your business page. All right, and then you're gonna also unlink your business page from your actual old business manager. You're gonna unlink everything. You're gonna basically let go of all of that stuff. Don't associate it with anything, because Facebook literally looks at these things. So make sure that you unlink your actual business page from your old business manager that's no longer active or that's deactivated. Make sure you unlink everything. Unlink the Instagram as well. Unlink it all. All right. All right, now, once you've done that, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to business.facebook.com and you're gonna set up a business page, or you're gonna actually set up a business manager for that new account that you're rocking with now. You're gonna set up a new Facebook business manager, all right? Once you set up that business manager, you're gonna go ahead and link your Facebook business page to that business manager, all right? You're gonna link your Facebook business page to that business manager. Okay, that's an important step. Make sure that that's linked up. All right. Now, once you do that, the next thing you're going to do inside a business manager, you're going to go ahead and create your Facebook pixel, your new Facebook pixel. You're going to also create a brand new ad account. All right. After you do that, here's a very important thing. All right, y'all. It's not done yet. You want to link a new card for billing. All right, and if you have everything else done and you miss this step, Facebook will get you. You don't want to use the same card that you used to pay for your Facebook ads as you used last time. You want to use a brand new card. You want to use a different card, a different number, so that Facebook can't trace that back, okay? So those are the steps in the process. Now, I cannot stress this enough. It is very, very important for you to be collecting your fans, your customers' data. And I'm not talking about the Facebook pixel, because what happens is with the Facebook pixel, all right, if you lose access to your business manager, you lose access to the pixel and all the data that comes inside of that pixel. So it's very important for you all to collect data, real data, email addresses, phone numbers, because if Facebook falls off the face of the earth tomorrow, if Instagram falls off the face of the earth tomorrow, you're still able to communicate with your fans and your customers. So you definitely want to make sure that you start doing it. Us, we were lucky because we collected thousands of emails and thousands of phone numbers during the course of our journey. So when our business manager got shut down, we simply took our data that we collected and we were still able to communicate with our customers, with our fans, and we were able to upload that data into a new business manager, create strong lookalikes for the ad account, and run ads and just hit the ground running again. And once again, it's quarter through the year and we already have made over 6 figures this year too. So I'm telling you this from experience, y'all. This is something you definitely want to do. Do not sleep on this. I want you to be successful. I want you to still be able to run these ads. I want you to run it up and get everything that your heart desires, y'all. So with that being said, we are definitely out. Be sure to click that like button. Be sure to click that subscribe button and share this video if you got some value. If this worked for you, definitely drop a comment below and let us know. If you have questions, definitely let us know as well. With that being said, your boy is out. Peace.